So now we're going to be making the back bumper. First things first, we're just gonna hide these parts. For if we keep these parts, it's going to be a really bad visual obstruction from the rear end. So we have to hide them. The rear bumper is going to be a little bit trickier than the rest. First things first, we're gonna boundary it. Take that, take those vertices. Um, Let me turn on the screencast keys. Let's take those vertices down in the z-axis. Now shift D, move it a little bit, place it there, then PS to make it a separate object. You guys know the drill by now. Rename it to back bumper. Now let's get rid of the extra vertices. Control X to dissolve them. Now A, extrude them. Let's turn off the subdivision. A, then extrude them. Keep in mind of the right vertice border with the blueprint. Keep it at active element, then SY, and then just place it on the thick wheel arch line. Now we're gonna place one edge loop, and then we'll do the same thing and put it on the border. Let's go backstep and let's check the dimension of it, and we have to hide this one. We also need like two vertices in the middle apart from the wheel arch to make it rounder, or we can just put three right now. Then shift alt, deselect it, alt S, then deselect it, alt S, deselect it. Cool. And this one should move right about there. Maybe not. So all we have to do is just match the lower one's curve with the top fender area. We just match it with the uh, inner border line, and that's gonna solve it. Yeah, cool. Seems alright. Now we to move it on the left side, just double check, or let's take one more. Then we have to put it on the same X level as the upper one. Now we have to take care of this in the backside too, or we can do that just later on a bit. Just extrude the wheel arch borders and just place it like that with its perfect alignments. Now we're to move this over on the x-axis from the rear side. We have to push those two inside of it. Cool.